What is up, you guys? It is Dylan back again with another video from Carnage Outdoors. Today we're out sword fishing. We're out here on the grounds. Got my bait ready to drop. See what we catch. We're tight. He on there. Coming up. 1,400 feet. I'll let you guys know when he gets close. 700 feet. I'm gonna leave it recording now because things are about to get hectic here. Yeah, maybe once it gets to like 300, you can start bumping it in reverse so I can swing the rod to myself easily. Okay. Got the dart ready, the gaps are out. Should be good to go. Be on there. We fished for what, about 15-20 minutes? Literally. First drop. Someday, you know, that's just how sword fishing is, you know. You come out here, fish all day, and you get one bite, or you can come out here and first drop, you catch, I mean, we had one bite and then we hooked this fish right after, yeah. So like, no. It's just either they're biting or they're not. All right, you want to start just putting it in reverse, just slowly, and then turning the... Just leave it in gear, you don't have to go fast. 360. Actually, that's fine. That's fine right now. As long as it's not swinging towards the boat. Maybe a little bit that way. Like the way I'm going. About 100 feet is when you get the lead. It's like 130, I think. 140. So at 200, I'm gonna have to turn it to manual. That's me. That's me. Or you're already in that one. Here. The lead's right here. Alright, you're good. Damn, it doesn't seem very tight. It's on there. Alright, fuck it. He's straight out that way. Did he just pull off? No, he's on there. No, he's on there. It's tight as a brick right now. Okay, what are we doing now? Oh, he's jumping! That's so sick! Nice! Reverse this way, reverse this way, reverse this way. Oh my god, that's sick! Don't throw it! I'm afraid I'm gonna flip off. Jeez Louise! Can you press the button for me? Dude. Oh yeah! In! That's a nice one too, what? Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. Hell yeah! Beauty! Oh. I need to get. Do you want to get a gaff in him right now? Yeah, get a gaff. Both gaffs actually in him. Okay, I got a gaff in him. Alright, no, not yet. Let's just let him die. It just wasn't on good, I think. I don't want that. Hell yeah!
Not too bad. He's little, but
that's a pup.
I'll take him.
Yeah,
he'll eat.
He will eat. Can you hold these for a second? I'm gonna set the camera down so we can get him in. All right. Let's walk him. Let me put the LP in free spool. All right.
This is where the boat gets to beep the
yeah, this is that boat. you want this thing like recording you? This thing's still on?
I don't know if he's not gonna fit in the box.
Dude, he's a
like
big boy.
That's a
nice little core right there.
That's an 80-pounder fish.
Easily.
Oh shit, did I step on your foot? Got him! Hell yeah! We got you, son. That's how it's done. First drop, 15 minutes. You wanna drop again?
We'll do another hour and then we'll call it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look what just came out of this sword's stomach. I think it's either an escolar or an oil fish. Look at the big slash from his bill. Took his eye out. Sick. So we didn't catch anything on that second drop, so we saw some frigates out here. We're trolling. Got a couple lines out. Maybe we'll catch some dolphin. Maybe there's something else around here. We'll see. Let you guys know. Hooked up on the feather on the back. See what we got. It's looking like a little skipjack maybe. See? Maybe I'll get a sword bait out of him. Maybe I'll get some sushi. Oh. I mean, I will look up. So you can leave it on. I'll leave it on. It's coming in quick. See him back there. I don't know what it is. Something shiny. Small. It's a baby skipjack, isn't it?
I think so, yeah. Wahoo bait.
Wahoo bait, or I'll rig him up whole for a sword bait.
There you go.
It's a little skipjack, isn't it? It's a blackfish.
No way.
Yeah, it's a blackfish.
Holy crap.
You wanna keep him or let him go?
You can let him go. I'd let him go. Yeah.
We'll let him go. Let him see another day, get him bigger, and we'll catch him on the reef and a year from now when he's 10 times the size. Pretty little fish. Alright. So this is the aftermath here. Cored him while we were out there so we could get him nice and nice down, and now we're home. We're gonna clean him up, stake it out, and see what happens. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and peace out.